Good morning, my dear students. Okay, all of you good, I think. Okay, before class, have studied what is that one? Maxima and minima. The problems on the applied applications of the maxima and minima. Circle, square, cuboid, cube, whatever may be. How to do? Okay, you know that. First, we form the function. How to take the function means in that first you read the problem carefully, after that you write the given data, after that in that one compulsory one sentence is going on, which one is the maximum, volume is maximum or surface area is maximum or greatest, that will be taken as a function. Differentiate two times, we will find the critical points. Those critical points means first order derivative is equal to 0. Those values you will get the x value or h value, whatever may be, those values you substitute in the second order derivative. Second order derivative means negative, but suppose the function have maximum value. If the second order derivative is positive, the function have the minimum value. Okay, my dear students, you know very well. Now yesterday class I explained I think 4 problems, I think. Okay, now we are going to the next problem. What is that one? This one. Very, very important questions, each and every one. Okay, maximum today will complete this topic. An open tank, the tanks in the form of the cuboid actually. Okay, no problem at all. Open tank, an open tank with a square base. Open tank means only 5 sides have. Tank, you know, observe that it daily. You see the daily, okay, in houses or in outside the campuses, you will see, okay, tank in the shape of 5 sides only, 4 vertical sides and 1 is the base, open. Okay, now the ground is the means the base is the square type. Now area of the square is x square. Now remaining are the vertical sides, means that is those are the rectangles. 4 sides have. One water tank, you observe that the water tank, open water tank means, okay, you know very well. Okay, that's why an open tank with the square base and vertical sides is to be constructed from a metal sheet so as to hold a given quantity of water. So as to hold a given quantity. Here the quantity of water hold in the tank, that means here the volume is constant, no problem at all, volume is constant. Okay, now show that the cost of the material will be least. Here clearly given. Cost of the material. Whenever you find the cost means, per suppose, the area of the square, the area of the square is 25 centimeter square. Area of the square is 25 centimeter square. The cost means 1 centimeter square costs, per suppose 5 rupees. The cost per painting or metal, you use it for the metal. Making of that one, this is the cost per material will be least, okay, not painting, material, whatever may be, 1 cent, okay, the square, to form the square, to form the means, per suppose, to form a square by using the metal, okay, per suppose this area, per suppose 25, whatever may be area, you know the area, per suppose area is equal to x square centimeters, sorry, area is x square centimeter square. Now metal used, how much metal used means we don't know. Okay, per suppose painting cost 1 centimeter square cost is 5 rupees. Total how much this one actually? 25 centimeter square means 25 into 5 total costs. Here also whenever the cost was asking, must and should will take the surface area, total surface area. Okay, my dear students, 100% will take the total surface area. This is the only 5 sides. Observe that this is, okay, per suppose this one open, okay, this is open box. Per suppose base is always x, this is x, this is x, this is a base is x. Base is x means length x, breadth x. What is the means remaining vertical sides means height 100% y. This is y, this is y, this is y. Okay, my dear students. Now here the quantity of water hold in the water tank means the volume must be constant. What the volume means? LBH. Here length x, breadth x means depth. Depth means y. Height. Height 100% y. Now area. Area means area of the base plus area of the four sides. Total surface area. Whenever you find the cost, 100% you write the total surface area of the box. This is open box means it have only 5 sides, my dear friends. Okay. Now let x comma let length comma breadth comma width height width, okay, height depth. Height means depth, width, length, breadth means width. Okay, let length, breadth, height are x, y of open rectangular box. Open rectangular box. Whenever the whole of a given quantity of water means the volume is constant. What is the volume actually? Volume is equal from volume of the open tank. Volume is equal length into breadth into height. Length is x, breadth is x, height is y. That is equal x square. We remember this one. Whenever the open square means the base is the square, 100% always volume is equal x square y. Now surface area, tell me. First surface area means all 5 sides we will write. 5 sides. What is the area of the base? Area of the base is x square 100%. Yes, my dear students. Say yes or no? 100% x square. Okay. Base is x square. Not top open. Okay. It have no top. Only base area is x square. Remaining 5 sides. Length is x. Breadth is y. Height is y. Area is xy. Every side, 4 sides. Tank means 100% they have 4 sides. Every side is the length is x, height is y, breadth is y. Means area is x into y, x into y, x into y, x into y. How many sides are there? 4 sides. Okay, that is 4xy. Now this is the least. The cost of the material will be the least. This is the surface area. Whenever we find the cost means we will find the surface area. Surface area of this one is centimeter square. How much material used means we will find the surface area, total area of that one. Total surface area of that open tank. That will be, for suppose this is the least means minimum. We will find the surface area. Surface area means how much material, the cost of the material, how much. Okay, we find the values of x and y, automatically we will find the, for suppose x length, y is the height, we will find easily cost. Okay, you find the x comma y, those x comma y substitute in s, we will get the cost in rupees. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the least. This is the least means 100% second order derivative must and should positive. Now from here y value, here y is equal to v by x square. Okay, my dear students. Here v is the constant. The water kept inside the water tank means volume is constant. V is the constant. Okay. Now s is equal to x square plus 4x into y. Y means v by x square. Okay, x cancel. What happened? S is equal to now s is equal to x square plus 4v by x. 4v by x. Now the function totally x. V is the 100% here constant. Okay, my dear. Now ds by dx. 2x minus 4v by x square. 1 by x differentiation, the derivative of 1 by x is 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. Now again differentiate, d square x by dx square is equal to 1 by x square. 1 by x square means minus 2 by x cube, means already minus is there, plus 8v by x cube. Actually observe that x is the length, v is the constant, this is positive, this is total is positive means 100% positive, no problem at all. For critical points, ds here, what is the first derivative? ds by dx is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 4v by x square is equal to 0. Here 2x is equal to 4v by x square. Okay, my dear students, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now cross multiplication, x cube is equal to v. X cube is equal to 2 into v value. You know v value? V value is x square y. X square y. Now 1x square, x cube cancel. Now x is equal to how much? 2y. X is equal to y. What is the x? Length. What is the y? Depth, means height. Here y is equal to x is equal to y means put x is equal to y in this one. What happened? D square y by dx square. At x is equal to y, d square y by dx square. So d square s by dx square. Substitute 2 plus 8v by x is equal to 2y whole cube, 8y cube. 8 cancel. V is the constant, y is always, length is positive, this is positive. Means the total area is 100%, the total surface area is minimum surface when x is equal to y. Y is the depth, means height is equal to half of its length. Clearly observe. Width. Here what is the given? The cost of the material will be least. Okay, this is surface area is least, means cost will be least when the depth of the tank, depth means height, is half of its width. Y, what is the y? Therefore at x is equal to y, it is, means cost is minimum. Here second order derivative is positive, means the cost, the cost of the material is minimum when x is equal to y. We write that one. Cost of material is minimum when x is equal to y, means y is equal to x by 2. Y is equal to x by 2. Okay, my dear students, that is asking. Depth of the tank is half of its width. It's over. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. See, once you read this problem, a metal box with the square base. This is open. This is a square base, means base is square, means top also in the form of a square, and the vertical sides is to contain 1024 centimeter cube of water. Centimeter cube of water means volume. What is the volume of the box? 1024 centimeter cube. Okay, no doubt at all. The material for the top and bottom costs. Vertical sides means to contain the, means 4 sides, vertical sides, top and bottom. Top and bottom in the shape of the square, remaining 4 sides in the shape of the rectangle. Total, this is the cuboid, has the 6 sides, not a cuboid, means 6 rectangles not. Here those 2 are the squares, remaining 4 parts are the rectangles. That's why it is called open box, not is a cuboid. Okay, cuboid means compulsory it has 6 rectangles. It is open box means 4 sides rectangles and top and bottom is a square. Okay, my dear students. The material for the top and the bottom cost rupees 5 rupees per centimeter. 1 centimeter cost is 5 rupees. Top and bottom is 2 squares. And the material for the sides of the cost 2.5 rupees per centimeter square. Remaining 4 sides, 1 centimeter square cost is 2.5 rupees. Now, find the least cost, here clearly given. What is the cost? Least cost. Already before problem I explained already. Cost means the surface area. The cost of the material, the cost in rupees of the material used for the box. The cost in rupees, the cost of the material used for the water tank or box. Okay, cost is equal, for suppose surface area. For suppose what is the base? Base is the area is in the form of square, means x square. What is the cost? 1 centimeter square is rupees is given, 5 rupees. What is the total cost? Means 5 into x square. Cost is equal to 1 centimeter square cost into total area. Total cost you will get. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now we will go into the same way. X base means 100%, not this one. Okay, here this is x, this is x, this is x, this is x. This is y means this is y, this is also y, this is also y. Here x means this is also x, not open. Here x, here x, here x, here x also. Okay, my dear students. Top and bottom are the squares. Top and bottom are the squares. Let x comma x comma y. Okay, let x comma y are the length, width or width means breadth comma height of the metal box. Okay, my dear students. Now volume is clear. Volume means length into breadth into height, x square into y. Now volume of the metal box. Volume means 1024 centimeter cube of water is given. What is how much water quantity is inside that box means 1024. That what is the volume means 1024. Now volume is equal 1024 centimeter cube. Now volume is equal, you know, xy square is equal 1024. Sorry, x square into y. X square y, not x square into y. Length into breadth into height. Length is x, breadth is x. Now here y is equal 1024 by x square y. Now cost. What is the meaning of the cost? Let C be the total cost in rupees metal used for the box. Let's see. C be the total cost. Total cost in rupees used for material for the box. Used material for the top and bottom of the box. Used for box. Used material for box. How to get this one? Total means six sides. Cost is equal to area into amount. First bottom means area is x square. What is the cost? 5 rupees means 5x square. Okay, 5x square. Top also same. Area is in the form of square. Bottom is square means 100% top is also square. Area is square. Per centimeter square cost. What is the material used per top? 5 rupees. Means how much area is there? X square. Total cost is equal to x square into 5. Per suppose 1 centimeter cost is per suppose 10 rupees. That is 100 centimeter square. 100 into 10,000 rupees. Say yes or no? This is top also x square. Plus sides. Sides in the form of rectangle. What is the area of the one side? That is x into y. X into y. X into y. One side. How much sides are there? How many sides are there? 4 sides. 4xy. But what is the area per centimeter square? 2.5. Means 2 rupees 50 paisa. Means 5 by 2 rupees. 5 by 2 rupees into 4 into xy. Total area is 4xy. 1 centimeter area, 1 centimeter square is 5 by 2 rupees. That is 5 by 2 into 4xy. Understood or not? This is total rupees cost. This is actually x square. Total area 1 centimeter square is 5 means total costs. Area into amount is equal to total costs. Okay, my dear students. Therefore, C is equal to what happened? This is 10x square, 5x square plus 5x square, 10x square plus here 5 ones are 5 twos are, that is 10xy. 10xy, my dear students. Now C is equal to 10x square plus 10x y value. Already I find out the y value. Y is equal to 1024 by x square. X cancel, my dear student. C is equal to 10x square plus 10,240 by x. Now the cost in terms of x. Okay, no problem at all. dc by dx. dc by dx is equal to 20x minus 10,240 by x square. 10,240 is constant, 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square. Now again d square c by dx square is equal to 20, x derivative is 1. 1 by x square means 2 by x cube, already minus is there, plus 2 into 10,240 by x cube. Actually, clearly observe that 100% it is positive. Why it is positive? X is the length, positive. This total value positive means minus. Cost positive. Cost positive means second order derivative positive means 100% least. Find the least cost of the box. Cost must and should least. What is the least cost? You find. First, you find the critical points. For critical points or stationary points or for maxima and minima, dc by dx is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, 20x minus 10,240 by x square is equal to 0. Now 20x is equal to 10,240 by x square. Now 0 0 cancel, x square into x cube. X cube is equal to 10,024 by 2. 10,024 by 2. What happened next step? Therefore x is equal to 512. Yeah, x cube is equal to 512. Now x is equal to 512 whole power 1 by 3. What is the 512? 8 cube, what happened? 8 into 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 8 4s are 32, 8 6 are 48, 5 1 2. Yes or no? That is the value is 8. X value 8. At x is equal to 8, what happened? Substitute in x is equal to 8. The d square c by dx square 100%, it is equal to, what happened? 100%, it is equal to d square c by dx square is equal to, is positive. Don't write the value. We cannot find the value. Now we want the total cost. Therefore, cost is the cost of the metal box is least when x is equal to 8. Therefore, cost is equal to, whenever x is equal to 8, we find the value of y or substitute directly in that place. C is equal to 10x square plus okay, we will find the total cost. Total cost means here you will find x value per suppose x is equal to 8 means, okay, no problem at all. Now cost is equal to, substitute in that one, 10x square 10,240 by x. X is equal to 8, substitute 10 into 8 square 64 plus 10,240 by 8. Now this is equal, c is equal 640 plus, what happened here? 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 22, 8 2s are 16, 64. 64 means 8 8s are 1280. That equals c is equal to 1920 rupees. How much cost of the material used the tank? Okay, you prepare the tank by using the material. How much cost is least cost, not maximum, least cost, we will use that one, 1920. Next, you are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, read the problem carefully. Okay, this is the today third problem is going on. Same process. An open box with a square base is to be made out of a given quantity. Square box. Open box with a square base means remaining vertical size 100%, to be made out the given quantity of the cardboard of the area c square units. Cardboard area. Total cardboard, how much used means this is, that is total surface area is given clearly. So the maximum volume of the box, you have to show that this one. Here the function is the volume. Okay, my dear students. Now we will take the here open box square. The box in the form of the square, remaining sides 100%, y. What is the area? You know that base is square, x square, remaining 4 sides rectangle, xy, 4xy. X square plus 4xy is equal, clearly given, c square. What is the volume? X square into y. It is the maximum means we find the volume of that one. You have to show that maximum is second order derivative must be is positive. Second order derivative must be negative. Let same process is going on. Let x comma, let length x comma y are the length, breadth and width, height of open box respectively. Now total area, okay, say c square units, area is equal, surface area is equal c square plus base x square, remaining 4 source 4xy is equal c square. From this one you can find the value of y. 4xy is equal to c square minus x square. Now y is equal to c square minus x square by 4x. Why directly I am right? Before already I explained what is the area of the open rectangular box. Okay, that's why I am telling you. Okay, my dear students. Now volume, here volume is maximum is given, that is the function. Volume, what is the volume of the box? That is x square into y, length into breadth into height, x into y. Okay, now v is equal to x square into y. What is y means? C square minus x square by 4x. Here x cancel. Okay, my dear students. Now v is equal to, what is the v? V is equal to, here v is equal to x into c square minus x square. Now by 4 is there, sorry, by 4. Now v is equal to c square x minus x cube by 4. Now dv by dx is equal to 1 by 4 100%. C square into x derivative is 1 minus x cube derivative is 3x square. Now second order derivative d square v by dx square, that equal 1 by 4 into c square constant 0, that is equal to minus 6x, that equal to minus 3 by 2x. X is the always length is positive. Here the second order derivative is negative, means 100% less than 0. Less than means 0 means maximum. Volume is maximum 100%. Okay, for critical points, dv by dx is equal to 0. 1 by 4 into c square minus 3x square is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. 1 by 4 is 0. C square is equal to 3x square. Okay. Now x square is equal to c square by 3. X is equal to, always length is positive. You cannot take the plus or minus. C by root 3. X value is equal to c by root 3. Okay. Now volume is equal to, you know the volume here, this is the volume. Okay, x is equal to c by root 3. You have to substitute x is equal to c by 3. X is equal to c by root 3. What happened? Now d square v by dx square. Positive or negative? X value substitute. No problem. C by root 3. It is 100% negative. Means less than 0. Therefore, volume of the box is maximum when x is equal to c by root 3. Now substitute, volume is equal, you have to show that the volume. What is the volume? Volume is equal to how much? C cube by 6 root 3. Now volume is equal, here clearly is there. Clearly what is there? Volume is equal to, okay, no problem at all. Volume is equal to c square into 1 by 4 into c square x minus x cube. Okay, what happened, my dear students? Substitute. V is equal to 1 by 4 into c square, okay, into x, c by root 3 minus what happened this one? X cube, c by root 3 whole cube, c by root 3 whole cube. What you taken common out? C by root 3 taken common out 100%. 1 by 4 into c by root 3 taken common out, c square minus c by root 3 whole square, that is c square by 3, c by root 3 whole square. Okay, c by 4 root 3 into 3c square minus c square, 2c square by 3, 2 2s are 2 1s are, that equal numerator c into c square c cube by denominator 3 2s are 6 root 3. Volume is cubic units, my dear students. Okay. Okay, my dear students, read that problem. Find the volume of the, next one, find the volume of the largest cylinder. Find the volume of the largest cylinder that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r centimeters. What is the function? Volume of the largest. This is the function. Find the volume of the largest cylinder. Okay. What is the volume of the cylinder means? You know that. What is the cylinder volume? Pi r square h. That cylinder is inscribed means in the, put in the sphere of radius r. Sphere is clearly given. Okay, what is the diagram is going on? Observe that. Now we find the maximum volume. Maximum volume means second order derivative must be equal to 0. Function is volume of the cylinder. Here observe that this is the sphere. The sphere is that what is the going on means radius is clearly is given, radius is r, small r is given. For suppose this is O, for suppose this is A, this is small r is given. Now in this one inscribe the cylinder. You know that the cylinder is the form of in this way. Okay, here this is the cylinder. Now this is the radius, this is for suppose this is OB the center of the sphere. This is for suppose sphere must should here center on height middle point. This is O. For suppose this is A B C. This is B. This is C. 100%. BC is the height of the cylinder. 100% height of the cylinder. Now here the cylinder is there. Cylinder radius you don't know. What is the cylinder radius means? That is Kepler. Let Kepler be the cylinder radius. Here O is the compulsory midpoint of the CB. Whenever the maximum volume whatever may be, this is 100% midpoint. Okay, midpoint total height means for suppose H means this is 100% H by 2. 100% it is a right angle triangle formed. Yes or no? First what is given, draw the diagram, write down the what quantities are given, first we write down. After that we will do. Okay, here the cylinder is inscribed in the means the cylinder is inscribed in the sphere. Sphere of radius clearly is given R. You know that this is the cylinder. The base radius of the cylinder is R. Height is H. O is the midpoint, 100% midpoint of BC. Okay. Here also radius is there, that is R. Now here the total distance is H means this distance must should H by 2, half of the distance. Okay, my dear students. Now this is 100% perpendicular means here 100% 90 degrees. This is the right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. Now you can find the value of OA. Okay, my dear students. Now here the Kepler is the radius. What the volume is? Pi r square h. Kepler r square h. Okay. Now let O be the center of the sphere. Therefore OA is equal to, what is this one? OA is equal to small r be the, what is that? The radius of sphere. Radius of the sphere. Okay, my dear students. Next CA is equal to R. Kepler be the radius of cylinder. Okay, my dear students. H is equal to, H means here BC. BC is equal to H. Centimeters, all are centimeters. Why? Because radius is centimeters. H centimeters be the height of cylinder. Height of cylinder. Now in a triangle OCA, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square, H by 2 whole square plus Kepler square is equal to small r square. Okay, my dear students. Now here H square by 4 plus r square is equal to r square. From here Kepler square is equal to r square minus H square by 4. Sphere radius is constant, fixed that one. Okay. Now volume of the, what is the function? Largest cylinder. Volume of the largest cylinder. Largest means greatest. What is the greatest? Volume. Now volume of the cylinder. Volume is equal to formula pi. Actually small r not Kepler square. Pi r square h. Pi r square h. Already you find the r square value, yes or no? R square equal this one. Now V is equal to pi h into r square value. R square value is equal to how much? R square equal to r square minus h square by 4. Now V is equal to pi into multiply r square h minus h cube by 4. Now differentiating with respect to h. Here the function is depend only h. Okay, dv by dx. Differentiating with respect to h. H derivative is 1, h square derivative 2h. That's why. Okay. Now dv by dh. dv by dh is equal to pi into, okay, r square into h derivative is 1 minus h cube derivative 3h square by 4. Okay, my dear students. Now again derivative d square v by dh square pi into here r is the constant, no h term, 0, h square divided by 2h, 2h into 6h by 4, that equal 2s are 3s are. What happened? That is minus 3 pi h by 2. Clearly less than 0. Negative is there. Second order derivative means negative means maximum. What is the maximum? Volume is maximum 100%. At which point? Okay. For critical points, dv by dh is equal to 0. For critical points, dv by dh is equal to 0. Pi into r square minus 3h square by 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now pi is 0. What is the remaining? R square is equal to 3h square by 4. From this one, h square is equal to 4r square by 3. Now h is equal to 2r by root 3. H is equal to 2r by root 3. For suppose the sphere radius is, another question is it have, for suppose find the height of the, for suppose the sphere radius, same question, find the volume of the largest cylinder that can be inscribed in the sphere of radius r centimeters, then show that height of the cylinder is equal to r by root 3. Enough. H is equal to r by root 3, substitute here. At h is equal to r by root 3, what happened? D square v by dh square, 100% negative. Substitute, no problem at all. H value negative means volume of cylinder is maximum at h is equal to r by root 3. My dear students, this is also another problem is there. Find the height of the cylinder. Suppose the radius is a centimeter. What is the height? H is equal to a by root 3. You have another question. Okay. You have another question. Okay. You do up to that one. But here, what is that? Volume of the largest cylinder. We find the volume. Yes, sir. Largest or not? Yes, largest. You find the volume. Volume is equal, this is the formula. What is that? By h into r square minus h value is 2r by 2. Substitute, what happened? Now, what happened? That is equal to h is equal to v is equal. Therefore, at h is equal to r by root 3, volume is equal to pi into, you taken common h, pi h into r square minus h square by 4. Substitute. V is equal to pi into h value. H value is 2r by root 3 into here r square minus h square. H square means what is h square? 4r square by 3 by 4. 4r square by 3 by 4. 4 cancel. Okay, my dear students. V is equal to, this is 2 pi r by root 3 into what happened? 3r square minus 2r square means 2r square by 3. That is equal to 2 to the 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3 cubic centimeter cube. This is the volume. In this way, we will find the problems. What the volume means here? Clearly observe that what the volume, my dear students. V is equal 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3 centimeter cube. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. We are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Show that a cylinder of the given volume, volume is given. The cylinder volume, you know that pi r square h. Okay, no problem at all. Which is open. The cylinder is in the form of open. Open means upper part no circle. This is height 100% h. The base radius 100% r. Base radius is 100% r. Okay, r be the base radius, h be the height, open. What is this? Now volume. You know that volume is equal to pi r square h, 100%. But provided what is the minimum, what is the maximum? Which is open at the top, has a minimum total surface area. Total surface area is minimum. That is the function. Okay, my dear friends. Minimum total surface area. What is the total surface area actually? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This is the part in the form of the circle, means it gives the perimeter of the circle. This is 2 pi r into h This area is circle is pi r square, this area circle is pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. What the actually perimeter is, total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This is the formula actually. But here open at the top means no circle at all, means you write only pi r square only. Whenever the surface area of the open cylinder is minimum, then this height is equal to the radius. Clearly, provided its height is equal to the radius of its base. Now you have to show that h is equal to r. Now surface area is minimum means the second order derivative is positive. Now volume is constant here, given means let h be the height of cylinder, r be the base radius. R be the base radius. Okay, my dear students, h be the height of the cylinder, r be the base radius. Any doubt? Now volume is equal to, what is the volume means formula? Pi r square h. From this one you will find h value. H is equal to V by pi r square, no problem at all. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area of open cylinder. Actually 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. You cannot take the 2 pi r square because only one circle is there. Open means top have no circle. That is surface area equal 2 pi r h plus pi r square only. You cannot take 2 pi r square. Why? It is open. Our goal is h is equal to r. This is minimum. Now s is equal to 2 pi r h value. What is the h value? V by pi r square plus pi r square. Here pi cancel, r cancel. What is the value of s? What is the value of s, my dear students? S is equal to remaining terms. What are the remaining terms? 2v by r plus pi r square. 2v by r plus pi r square. Say yes or no? 2v by r plus pi r square. Yeah. Now ds by dr. This is 1 by r is there, minus 1 by r square, minus 2v by r square plus 2 pi r. R square derivative is 2r into pi, 2 pi r. Again derivative, d square s by dr square is equal 1 by r square means minus 2 by r cube, already minus is there, plus 4v by r cube plus 2 pi. 100% r be the radius, v be the constant volume. Volume is always positive. Here second order derivative must should positive. Second order derivative positive means 100% is surface area is minimum. When? Means for critical points. For critical points. What happened? That is ds by dr is equal to 0. That is minus 2v by r square plus 2 pi r is equal to 0. Minus 2v by r square is equal to minus 2 pi r. Both sides minus 2 cancel. V is equal to pi r cube. Pi r cube. What is V? What is V means? Pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to pi r cube. Pi cancel. R square r cube cancel. Now h is equal to r. At h is equal to r, what happened? You substitute here in this one. Therefore r is equal to h. At r is equal to h. D square s by dr. Positive or negative? 100% positive. Therefore surface area is least when height is equal to base radius. Height is equal to r. This way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, I think understood. We are going to next problem.